This is a don't blink or you'll miss it kind of recipe. Hi, I'm Helen. I am going to show you today a healthy alternative and delicious alternative to soft serve ice cream. It only uses 2 ingredients and it's exclusive to issue 3 of our Thermomix Everyday Summer magazine. Because it's not on cookie dough, I am going to do it manually in the Thermomix. So the very first step is to pop in your raspberries straight into the bowl, and they are frozen raspberries. Got our raspberries in. Now we're going to use our turbo function, which can be found on the screen of your Thermomix in the mode section. Swipe from right to left. We access turbo, and you want to adjust the speed to 0.5 seconds, and we're going to pulse it 1 to 2 times. So just by turning the dial, it activates the turbo for 0.5 seconds, and we really just want to break up our raspberries just to crumble them down a little bit. Let's have a look at how that looks. Perfect. So I'm going to take just 1 tablespoon of this raspberry mixture and set it aside in the freezer until we're ready to serve. Now we add our 250 grams of frozen banana. And the best thing about this is that you can get these fruits when they're in season and freeze them yourself to save a little bit of money as well. Lid goes on. We'll take the measuring cup off though, because we're going to need to use our spatula to help to combine these ingredients. We're going to go for about 30 seconds on speed 6. I'm going to pop 30 seconds on my timer and speed 6. The last step is to pop our measuring cup on, put another minute 30 on your timer and on speed 4 so that we can get it nice and creamy. And that is done. In less than 2 minutes, you've got yourself a soft serve ice cream that looks amazing. We have another couple of flavors that are available in the magazine. There is a mango and passion fruit and an avocado and lime. So now all that's left is to serve it up. Now a really clever way of serving it up to make it look really pretty and exactly like a soft serve is to pop it into a piping bag with a 2 centimetre nozzle, star-shaped nozzle on top, and then we're going to pipe it into the bowls. Now you can leave it in the piping bag for up to 2 hours in the freezer until you're ready to serve, but after 2 hours it'll start to get a little bit too firm to pipe. How gorgeous is that? One more. And all that's left now is to put some of the reserved raspberries that we kept before and sprinkle them on top to give it the finished look. So there you have it, a delicious alternative to soft serve ice cream. You know exactly what's gone in it and it hasn't taken you all day to do, 5 minutes. Currently can be found in our Summer Everyday magazine, and you can find this copy at your local bookstore, news agency or supermarket.